Yes, guys. So, which part with it?
St. Pete Pier.
St. Pete Pier.
Yeah.
Yeah, St. Pete Pier, and we have the airport. One of the airport them actually. About a half a mile across the bay, you know. Yeah. So we just do a little tour today and check out the place. First time I come check it out. We've been wanted to come over here about a year ago, but just never happened. So today, both are we are from work, and we decided to come check it out, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, so over there you have the marina with all the boats and all that stuff, you know, and the nice, you know, buildings in the background. You know, nice little view. Yeah, man. This view is amazing. It's beautiful. Let's take a look. There's a beach over
No, see it
here.
there.
I didn't make it. Yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the beach area. You know, it looks like a little man-made beach, obviously. The water is pretty though. Nice and clear. Yeah, beautiful. What flavor did you get?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip?
Waffle cone.
Oh,
Cookie dough.
I'm having the Superman. You know, this is like strawberry, blue moon, and some other flavor. You know, like I said, guys, there's so much. You know, so many different things to do here. You know, you have the ice cream shop, pizza shop, playground for the kids. You know, the water park thingy right there. You know, everything. Yeah, man. Nice place to just come and chill and hang out with the family and everything there, you know? Yes, guys, this ice cream was amazing, you know? Definitely worth the $3.99. So now we're just gonna walk around a little bit more, check out some different spots, you know, a few restaurants and, you know, see what they have on the menu and see where we go order and all that stuff. So just stay tuned and continue to watch the video and enjoy the scenery. You know, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking in the video. It's just gonna be mainly video, you know, of the background and the scenery and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. Babes, how's the ice cream?
Amazing.
Yeah. What do you think about this place so far?
Great ambience
Yeah.
and like good family outing.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely an awesome spot.
Yeah, guys, so as you can see right here, the structure closed in 2013 to make way for a new St. Petersburg Pier. Yes, so they shut it down back in 2013 to renovate this whole, you know, this new masterpiece that you see, you know, around. All right, guys. So if you're gonna come by, just wear some nice little t-shirt and shorts, and some comfortable sneakers. Don't wear any heels or anything like that. You know? Yeah, wear something comfortable. Where you know say you're gonna be nice and relaxed because it's a good little walk, but like I said, the vibes is nice, laid back, family oriented, environment. All right, so you have the playground area, you know, somewhere in the background over there. I'm not gonna go over there to record right now, you know? Yeah. And once again, you have the marina over that side. All right, guys, so we're about to check out the St. Petersburg Museum of History.
This was something like what the Arawaks
Yeah, it's a nice little kennel.
don't touch.
I know. You think me crazy if I touch it, me not touch it. Yes, guys, so we're inside of the museum. All right, guys, so here you have a, what is this? So it's two-headed calf, survived 6 weeks. The calf has resided in the museum since the 1920s. So it was born in the safety harbor. So here's a little video clip, video footage of the two-headed calf. All right, over here, so you have the two-headed chicken. Two-headed chicken, lived 8 months near Tampa, Florida. This was way back, way back in the days. So over here you have the Lady of the Nile, or Lady of the Nile. So, yeah. If you want to know more, just do your research and you'll get all the information you need. Yeah. So over here you have President Taft's pajama. Here's a better look. Huh?
The hotel uniform.
Oh, okay. Serena Hotel. I guess that's the uniform the bellboy used to wear, I guess, back in the days. Yeah. St. Petersburg High School, August 25th, 1910. So this room here that you're looking at is the fisherman room. You have a whole bunch of different history on fishing, on the boats and all that good stuff. Yeah.
On the press.
Here you have the free mermaid show. Some old sign. These are different signs. Oh my God, look at the price. The seafood price back then. Squid was what, 39 cents a pound? What? That's super cheap. Look at the shrimp, small shrimp, 109 per pound. That's, hey, that's some good price. Good price right there. Look at this right here. So you have a tall glass, special chocolate pudding with whipped cream, 5 cents. That's crazy. So right here, what you're seeing is a drug cabinet, a whole bunch of different medicines and all that good stuff. Where in the world in 2022 you're gonna find fried fillets, oh my God, for 67 cents. Wow, that's crazy. You have some medals over here. You have your rifle. So here you have a mega letoscope. First time seeing one of these. All right, guys. So as you can see right here on this wall, it's like a little graph or draft of the entire area that we're in, like the different subdivisions. You know. Yeah, man. As you can see, but then everything was, totally different. I mean, it's pretty much the same, but it's more on an upgrade, upscale style right about now. You know, you know, you have to evolve at some point and elevate. So, you know, history is good, but at some point you have to move on. Yeah, so we're inside the baseball room right now. You know, I'm not whispering, but you don't want to be too loud because you have other people here. So you have Babe Ruth. Who's this right here? I don't know, but someone popular, legend. He used to play for the Rays. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. You know, I have a whole bunch of different signed baseballs. All that good stuff. This is so cool, guys. This is something new for me right here. I did not know this right here that we had, All American girls professional baseball, league back then. I know about the whole softball thing, but I didn't know we had a female baseball team back in the days. You know? Wow, this is crazy. As you can see right here, back in 1938, New York Giants, the ball was much smaller than how it is now. So within 2 years, look, 2 years time, they basically increase the size of the ball. Yeah.
Slavery. There being games played amongst the slaves back into the 1800s. After we became free, baseball really became a passion, and not only as a pastime, but as an opportunity to play this game professionally. Moses Fleetwood Walker would ultimately become the first known black to play on an all-white professional team. Didn't last very long, however, before the movement that would basically say, if you allow black to play with you, you can't play with us. A gentleman's agreement. Amazingly, there was never anything written. There were men and women who were as men as anyone going to war, fighting the same kind of racism in other countries that we were being asked to accept at home. Simple. They can die fighting for their country.
All right, so on this side you have the celebrities, baseball signatures, signed baseball by different celebrities. This one is Lois Lane, popular Lois Lane. You already know who that is. The famous Bob Barker TV host. Arnold Schwarzenegger. You have Barack Obama, Jimmy Carter right there, Yeah, a whole bunch of different celebrities. All right, guys, so right here you have the Roberts Inline 6. Yeah, this is one of the plane engine that they used to use, back when they first started. Look who's here, guys. Look who it is. The great Tom Brady. So all right, guys, so here I have some what's this, macadamia nut crusted grouper with some quinoa, white rice, spinach, tomato, pineapple, and a whole bunch of good stuff. Some creamy sauce. Yeah. This right here is the what's this, redfish? Huh? Redfish what? Redfish bowl? Yeah. It's good. Yeah, guys, so belly full right about now. Just had some delicious lunch at Doc Ford's Rum Bar and Grill. Yeah. So right now, I jump in a car and go back on my yard right now, Yeah, and get some sleep. Yeah, man. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Remember to check out the St. Pete's Pier and enjoy yourself. Yeah.